my wife and I were both incredibly stressed out over the fact that our child is on the spectrum, and we didn't really know what to do about how to get services and what the formalities were and so on and so forth. And I remember, I think it was probably the first day that I made a comment to Pam, and I was being self-critical about something, I don't remember what it was, and she said, you can't beat yourself up too much, which I thought was wonderful advice, very helpful. It takes someone sometimes deciding to bring that into focus sometimes. Timmy's been going to Puzzle Box for about 3.5 years now and has improved dramatically. His behavior has improved. He's gone from being essentially nonverbal to using his words and telling us what he needs and what he likes and doesn't like, as well as when he's uncomfortable, he's become pretty good at letting us know if he's tired, whatever. The other things that we like are the fact that his schooling skills have come along much better than we expected. He's reading and writing and learning to express himself, learning to get along with other people. Another benefit of being involved with Puzzle Box is that through the parenting groups, we've learned basic parenting skills and sort of how to cope, and above and beyond what to do and how to treat the kid and how to teach him to conduct himself in a way that will get him through life and teaching life skills and whatnot. They've taught us coping skills, and we've also met a lot of people that work for Puzzle Box and people that are parents of children in Puzzle Box that have gone quite a great ways in helping us to sort of feel normal. I mean, it's very easy to feel isolated and like you're the only person within miles that has the problems that you face, and of course that's not true. But the other thing that's great is there are a lot of people you can bounce ideas off, and they will give you ideas and solutions to problems that inevitably come along for any parent with children, but especially for parents with children on the spectrum. We think that Timmy's therapy and schooling has brought him to a point that we could never have done on our own because we don't have those skills. And we're very grateful for that, and that is what we love so much about Puzzle Box.